The standing single-arm dumbbell Scott curl is an isolation exercise that primarily targets the short head of the biceps, which gives the biceps a fuller, wider appearance. It may look similar to a preacher curl, however, this biceps curl variation positions the arm hanging straight down at a more vertical angle. Here's how to do it correctly. Make sure you use the side of the standing arm curl bench that allows your arm to hang straight down, not at an angle. Stand behind the bench with one arm resting on the pad, palm facing up, holding a dumbbell in your hand. Your armpit should be snug against the top of the bench to stabilize the arm. Stand tall with your core engaged, shoulders back, and chest up. Extend your arm fully down so the dumbbell hangs vertically towards the floor, keeping a slight bend in your elbow to avoid locking out. Curl the dumbbell up by flexing your elbow, focusing on contracting your biceps. Keep your upper arm pressed against the pad, isolating the biceps as you lift the weight. Continue curling until your forearm is just about vertical, but avoid swinging or using momentum. At the top of the movement, squeeze your biceps for a brief second to maximize contraction. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position, fully extending your arm while keeping constant tension on your biceps. Complete all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.